Shiksha Yojana education plan either regular or correspondence open. Rainbow syllabus plus UPSC syllabus along with school syllabus for Delhi or any other states or nation. Mathematics, Economics and Businesses Documentation Center. Start preparation with Pratyogita Darpan etc. Pratika magazine for competitive exam example UPSC, SPSC, SSC, DSSB, Railway Board etc. भाग 1 सामान्य से चित्ता, एक संख्या श्रेणी नंबर सीरीज, भाग 2 अंकगणितीय योग्यता, 2 संख्या पति नंबर सिस्टम, 3 महत्तम समावर्ती तथा लघुत्तम समावर्ती H7 LCM, 4 दशमलव भिन्न डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन, 5 सरलीकरण सिंप्लीफिकेशन, 6 वर्गमूल तथा घनमूल स्क्वायर रूट्स एंड क्यूब रूट्स, 7 औसत एवरेज, 8 संख्याओं पर आधारित प्रश्न प्रॉब्लम्स और नंबर्स, 9 आयु संबंधित प्रश्न प्रॉब्लम्स और एजेस, 10 घातांक कर्णी शेयर्स एंड इंडाइसेस, 11 प्रतिशतता परसेंटेज, 12 लाभ तथा हानि प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, 13 अनुपात तथा समानुपात रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन, 14 साझा पार्टनरशिप, 15 मिश्र समानुपात कंपाउंड प्रोपोर्शन, 16 समय तथा कार्य टाइम एंड वर्क, 17 पाइप तथा टंकी के पर्सन पाइप्स एंड सिस्टर्स, 18 समय तथा दूरी टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस, 19 रेल संबंधित पर्सन प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन ट्रेन्स, 20 धारा तथा नाव संबंधित पर्सन बोट्स एंड स्टीम, 21 मिश्र एलिगेशन, 22 साधारण ब्याज सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, 23 चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, 24 क्षेत्रफल एरिया, 25 ठोस वस्तुओं का आयतन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉलिड्स, 26 dot races, 27 calendar, 28 घड़ी clock, 29 stocks and shares, 30 मिट्टी कलर ट्रू डिस्काउंट, 31 महाजनी भट्टा बैंकर्स डिस्काउंट, भाग 3 समूहों का विश्लेषण, 32 सालियन टेबुलेशन, 33 पाई चार्ट, 34 रेखा चित्र लाइन ग्राफ, 35 दंड आलेख बार ग्राफ.
One sets 2 relations and functions, 3 trigonometric functions, 4 principle of mathematical induction, 5 complex numbers and quadratic equations, 6 linear inequalities, 7 permutations and combinations, 8 binomial theorem, 9 sequences and series, 10 straight lines, 11 conic sections, 12 introduction to three-dimensional geometry, 13 limits and derivatives, 14 mathematical reasoning, 15 statistics, 16 probability.
1 real numbers, 2 polynomials, 3 pair of linear equation in 2 variable, 4 quadratic equation, 5 arithmetic progression, 6 triangles, 7 coordinate geometry, 8 introduction to trigonometry, 9 some application of trigonometry, 10 circles, 11 constructions, 12 areas related to circles, 13 surface area and volume, 14 statistics, 15 probability, appendix A1 proofs in mathematics, appendix A2 mathematical modeling.
Contents: 1 rational numbers, 2 exponents, 3 squares and square roots, 4 cubes and cube roots, 5 playing with numbers, 6 operation on algebraic expression, 7 factorization, 8 linear equation, 9 percentage, 10 profit and loss, 11 compound interest, 12 direct and inverse proportion, 13 time and work, 14 polygons, 15 quadrilaterals, 16 parallelogram, 17 construction of quadrilaterals, 18 area of trapezium and a polygon, 19 three-dimensional figures, 20 volume and surface area of solids, 21 data handling, 22 introduction to coordinate geometry, 23 line graphs and linear graphs, 24 pie chart, 25 probability, 26 activity answer additional questions.
Class 7th Math. Contents: 1 integers, 2 fractions, 3 decimals, 4 rational numbers, 5 exponents, 6 algebraic expressions, 7 linear equations in 1 variable, 8 ratio and proportion, 9 unitary method, 10 percentage, 11 profit and loss, 12 simple interest, 13 lines and angles, 14 properties of parallel lines, 15 properties of triangles, 16 congruence, 17 construction, 18 reflection, rotational symmetry, 19 three-dimensional shapes, 20 mensuration, 21 collection and organization of data, mean, median and more, 22 bar graphs, 23 probability, 24 activities, answer additional questions.
Class 6th Maths. 1 number system, 2 factors and multiples, 3 whole numbers, 4 integers, 5 fractions, 6 simplification, 7 decimal, 8 algebraic expressions, 9 linear equation in 1 variable, 10 ratio, proportion and unitary method, 10 line segment, ray and line, 12 parallel lines, 13 angles and their measurement, 14 constructions using ruler and a pair of compasses, 15 polygons, 16 triangles, 17 quadrilaterals, 18 circles, 93 dimensional shapes, 22 dimensional reflection symmetry, linear symmetry, 21 concept of perimeter and area, 22 data handling, 23 pictograph, 24 bar graphs, 25 activities. Answers.
Contents. Forward. Class 3rd. About the book. 1. What's in a name? 2. Toy Joy. 3. Double Century. 4. Vacation with Mananima. 5. Fun with Shapes. 6. House of Hundreds 1. 7. Raksha Bandhan. 8. Fair Share. 9. House of Hundreds. 10. Fun at class party.
NDA exam pattern 2025. Paper, subject, number of question, marks, duration. Paper -1. Mathematics 120, 300, 150 minutes. Paper 2. General ability test, English 50 and general knowledge 100. 150, 600, 150 minutes. Total 270, 900.
प्रायोरिटी ऑफ स्टडी। एक हमारी सबसे टॉप प्रायोरिटी एनडीए है, जिसके लिए हम एक टेबल बनाएंगे कि किस सब्जेक्ट के किस टॉपिक से कितने सवाल पूछे जाते हैं, और हम एनडीए की तैयारी की शुरुआत सबसे कठिन सब्जेक्ट के सबसे कठिन टॉपिक से करेंगे। उसके बाद अगला कठिन सब्जेक्ट और टॉपिक लेंगे। इस तरह एनडीए की तैयारी खत्म करेंगे और कम से कम 9 प्रैक्टिस प्रीवियस पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे। उसके बाद हम एनडीए का फाइनल एग्जाम देंगे और पहले ही अटेम्प्ट में अच्छी रैंक के साथ एनडीए का एग्जाम क्लियर करेंगे।
2. हमारी दूसरी प्रायोरिटी स्कूल का पूरा सिलेबस प्लान के हिसाब से ख़त्म करना है। एनडीए के मैथ के पेपर में एक क्वेश्चन 1 मिनट में सॉल्व करना होता है तथा जनरल एबिलिटी टेस्ट में एक क्वेश्चन 45 सेकेंड्स में करना होता है। इसलिए सारे प्रश्न समय पर ख़त्म करने के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करें और पुराने क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करें। यदि परिवार का कोई सदस्य, रिश्तेदार या कोई अन्य आपको बर्बाद करने के लिए आपको गुलाम समझना, झूठ बोलना, डींग हाँकना, चुगली करना, प्रशंसा करना, चापलूसी करना, प्रेरित करना, भड़काना आदि कार्य करता है, तो ये कार्य दुश्मनी निभाना है। उनको 3 चीज़ें पहले ही मीटिंग में सबसे पहले क्लियर कर दे कि 1. आप किसी के गुलाम नहीं हैं। 2. आप काबिल, अनुभवी और मेहनती हैं और अपनी जिम्मेदारी पूरी ईमानदारी से निभा रहे हैं। 3. आपके कुछ अधिकार हैं तो आपके कुछ कर्तव्य भी हैं जो आप नहीं निभा रहे हैं।
Prime numbers and number system. 1. Even numbers. Those natural numbers or whole numbers which are completely divisible by 2 are known as even numbers. Example 2, 4, 6, 8. 2. Odd numbers. Those natural numbers which are not completely divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. 3. Whole numbers. The group which is formed when the group of natural number is included 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are called whole numbers. For negative numbers or integers, -4, -3, -2, -1 are all negative numbers. 5. Real numbers. All rational and irrational number are real numbers. Their squares are always positive. 6. Prime numbers. Any whole number greater than 1 that is divisible only by 1 and itself is defined as a prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. 7. Composite numbers. Those whole numbers which have divisors other than 1 and the number itself are called composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 9, 15, etc. 8. Additive identity. A plus 0 equals to A and 0 are called additive identity. 9. Rational numbers. Those numbers which are denoted in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. For instance, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 4 by 3, etc. 10. Irrational numbers. Those numbers which are not rational numbers like √2, √3, √5, √7. Easy formula related to work and time. 1. Work of 1 day equals to total work by total number of working days. 2. Remaining work equals to 1 work done. 3. Finished work equals to work done in a day into days taken to complete the work. 4. If X and Y take A and B days respectively to complete a work, then the time taken collectively by A and B to complete that work, total time equals to A into B by A plus B days. 5. If X, Y, and Z complete a work in A, B, and C days respectively, then total days taken to complete that work collectively. Total days equals to A into B into C by A into B plus B into C plus C into A. 6. 1. If there are food items for a days for A days for A people, if after B days B people arrive, then for how many days will the remaining items last for the new people? Total time equals to A circle bracket open, A minus B circle bracket close by A plus B. 2. If there are food items for A people for A days, and if after B days B people arrive, then for how many days will the remaining items last for the remaining people? Total time equals to A minus B by A minus B. 7. If a group of people completes some work in a day in A days, and for some reason X people are not able to participate in the task, then it is completed in B days. Number of people at the start of that work equals to B into X by B plus A. 8. K and H together can complete a work in A days. They worked together for D days and then H left. If the remaining work was done by K in X days, then the total time taken by K to complete the work alone is equals to A into D by A minus B. 9. K and H can complete in A and B days. They begin to work together, but for some reason K stopped working after D days. How many days will H take to complete the remaining work? Time taken to complete the remaining work by H equals to B minus D minus B into D by A.
Time, distance and train. Related formula. 1 speed equals to distance by time. 2 distance equals to speed multiply time. 3 x km r equals to x multiply 5 by 18 meter second. 4 y meter second equals to y multiply 18 by 5 km r. 5 if the ratio of the speed of A and B is A ratio B, then the ratio of time taken to undertake a distance together would be B ratio A. 6. If a person undertakes a fixed distance at the speed of x km r and decides to take up the same distance in y km r, then average speed of the journey equals to 2xy by x plus y km r. 7. Time taken by a man standing through and a meter long train, a pole and a tree equals to ratio A ratio B of the speed of B from his speed to require time taken to complete the distance. 8. Time taken to undertake B meter long object, for example platform, bridge, tunnel, a standing train, etc. Through a meter long train, time taken to complete A plus B meter distance through train. 9. If a train is moving at the speed of x km r and in the same direction, a similar vehicle is moving towards a spot at y km r, then relative speed of train with that vehicle equals to x minus y km r. 8. And if a train is moving at the speed of km r and its opposition direction, another vehicle is moving at the speed of y km r towards a parallel spot, then relative speed of train with that vehicle equals to x plus y km r. 11. If a meter long train is moving at the speed of x meter second and b meter long train is moving at the speed of y meter second in the same direction, then the time taken to overtake the train by the fastest train equals to a plus b by x minus y second. 12. If a meter long train is moving at the speed of x meter second and b meter long train is moving at the speed of y meter second in the opposite direction, then time taken by these trains to overtake each other equals to x plus b by x plus y second. 13. If a meter long train is moving at the speed of x meter second, if a person is running in the direction of that train at the speed of y meter second, then time taken by train to pass this person equals to ax minus y second. 14. If a meter long train is moving at the speed of x meter second, a person is running in the opposite direction of the train at the speed of y meter second. Then time taken by the train to pass this person equals to a x plus y second. Trigonometry. Pythagoras theorem. Base square equals to hypotenuse square plus perpendicular square. Trigonometric ratios. One side theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cosec theta equals to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Sin theta multiply cosec theta equals to 1. 2. Cos theta equals to base multiply hypotenuse. Sec theta equals to hypotenuse by base. Cos theta multiply sec theta equals to 1. 3. Tan theta equals to perpendicular base. Cot theta equals to base by perpendicular. Tan theta multiply cot theta equals to 1. 4. Tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta cos theta by sin theta. Sin theta equals to 1 by cosec theta. Cos theta equals to 1 multiply sec theta. 1 by sec theta. 5. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin theta. 1 sin square theta. 6. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1. 7. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta equals to cosec square theta minus 1. 8. Sin theta equals to 1 root 1 minus cos square theta. 9. Cos theta equals to root 1 plus tan square theta. 10. Cosec theta equals to root 1 plus cot theta cot square theta. 11. Cos theta equals to root 1 minus sin square theta. 12. Tan theta equals to root sec square theta minus 1. 13. Cot theta equals to root cosec square theta minus 1. Trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. 1 sin theta equals to cos 90 degree minus theta. 2 cos theta equals to sin 90 minus theta. 3 tan theta equals to cot 90 minus theta. 4 cot theta equals to tan 90 minus theta. 5 sec theta equals to cosec 90 minus theta. 6 cosec theta equals to cosec 90 minus theta. 7 tan theta multiply tan 90 minus theta equals to 1. 8 cot theta multiply cot 90 minus theta equals to 1. Sin theta cos theta tan theta equals to lal by kakka, cosec theta sec theta cot theta equals to kakka by lal by lal. Note: while solving a sum, we should try to convert all the other trigonometric ratios in sin and cos.
Ratio and proportion. 1 A by B is the ratio of A and B and is represented as A ratio B. 2. In the ratio A ratio B, A is called the antecedent and B is called consequent. 3. Proportion. An equation which concluded that 2 or more ratios are equal is called proportion. For instance, 2 ratio 5 is equals to 6 ratio 15 will be represented as 2 ratio 5 is proportion to 6 ratio 15. 4. In A ratio B ratio C ratio D, A and D are called extreme terms and B and C are called mean terms. A by B is equals to C by D. Products of extreme term is equal to product of mean terms. 5. Mean proportional. The mean proportional of A and B is equals to root AB. 6. Fourth proportional is fourth proportional. If the fourth proportional of three terms ABC is X, then A ratio B proportion X, C ratio X. Example: AX is equals to BC, UX is equals to BC by A. 7. Third proportional. If the third proportional of A and B is X, then A ratio B is proportional to C ratio X. AX is equals to B square X is equals to B square by A. 8. Proportional. If X is equals to KY, where K is a constant, then X directly proportional Y and is represented as X alpha Y. 9. Inverse proportion. If x is equals to k by y, where k is a constant, then x is inversely proportional to y, and it is represented as 1 by y x alpha. 10. A ratio is always between number of with the same unit like rupees, kg, ratio kg, seconds, ratio second, etc. 11. The combined ratio of two similar ratios are called proportion, like the proportion of a ratio b is equals to a square ratio b square. 12. The square root of ratio is called square root ratio, such as the square root ratio of a ratio b is equals to root a ratio root b. 13. The cube of ratio is called cube ratio, such as the cube ratio of a ratio b is equals to a cube ratio b cube. 14. If we have to divide the ratio a ratio b ratio c of a term x, then a first division is equals to a plus by a plus b plus c is equals to first ratio by sum of ratios. B. Second division b by a ratio a plus b plus c second ratio by sum of ratios. C. Third division is equals to c is equals to third ratio. Calendar. Leap days. The number of days in an interval of a day which are more than the day of previous week are called leap days. 2. Leap year. Every year without a century which can be completely divided by 4, and every century which is completely divided by 400 is called leap year. One normal year is equals to 365 days, 52 weeks plus 1 day. One leap year is equals to 366 days, 52 weeks plus 2 days. Additional days in 100 years is equals to 5. Additional days in 200 years is equals to 3. Additional days in 300 years is equals to 1. Additional days in 400 years is equals to 0. Days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Number of leap days: 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Others: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0.
Rules of divisibility for any given number. Divisible by 2. A given number will only be divisible by 2 if it ends with either of these digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Divisible by 3. A given number will only be divisible by 3 if the sum of digit is completely divisible by 3. For example, the sum of the digits of number 2, 7, 25, 986 is 39, which is completely divisible by 9. Divisible by 4. A given number is only divisible by 4 when its last two digits form a number which is completely divisible by 4. For example, the last two digits of the number 18,460 form 80, which is completely divisible by 4. Divisible by 5. A given number will be divisible by 5 only if it ends in either 5 or 0. Divisible by 8. A given number is only divisible by 8 when it's with 3 digits form a number which is completely divisible by 8. For example, the last 3 digits of the number 8356816 form the number 816, which is completely divisible by 8. Divisible by 9. A given number is only divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits are completely divisible by 9. For example, the sum of the digits of number 915876 is 36, which is completely divisible by 9. Divisible by 11. A given number is only divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of alternate digits from left to right is either 0 or the number divisible by 11. For example, the difference of sum of the alternate digit of the number 365431 is 6 plus 4 plus 1 equals to 11 minus 3 plus 5 plus 3 equals to 11 equals to 0. If A is divided by B and the quotient is S with the remainder K, 1 dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The 2 divisor equals to dividend minus remainder by quotient. 3. Quotient equals to dividend by plus minus remainder by divisor. This is dividend equals to A, divisor equals to B, quotient equals to S, remainder equals to K. SBAK. Mixture and allegation. An expensive and a cheap object is mixed in a particular ratio and mixture is obtained through it. Purchase price equals to purchase price of 1 unit of an object costing A rupees equals to total cost of 1 unit of A, B rupee A, unit of a B rupees mixture equals to rule of rupees mixture. Purchase price of cheap object, purchase price of expensive object, purchase price per unit of mixture. A x minus A, B minus x. Quantity of cheap price, quantity of expensive price. Quantity of cheap price, quantity of expensive price minus B minus X ratio X minus A. If there is X unit of a fluid in a container and out of this Y unit has been taken out and replaced with the same amount of water, in this new mixture Y unit is again taken out and replaced with the same amount of water. This process is repeated n times and in the end, the pure fluid left in the mixture equals to curly bracket X circle bracket 1 minus Y by X circle bracket close quotation mark 11 square curly bracket unit.
Exponential and radical. 1. Root is called square root. 2. 3 under root is called cube root. Root 2 square equals to root 2 multiply 2 equals to 2. Root 3 under 3 27 equals to and 3 under root 3 cube equals to root 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 equals to 3. 3 root a equals to a is 1 2. 4 bracket n root a and root b whole power n equals to n under root a whole power n root n b root n under root b whole power n equals to ab. 5 n under root a multiply n under root b equals to n under root a b equals to ab 1 n. 6 n under root a divide n under root b equals to n under root a multiply b equals a by b equals to n under root a by n under root b. 7 n under root a by n under root b whole power n equals to n under root a by n under root b equals to a by b. 8 m under root n root a equals to m under root a equals to m under root m root a equals to m under root a. 9 n 1 multiply m a equals to m 1 a. 10 if x n equals to a x equals to a 1 n equals to n root a. 11 if x m n equals to a x equals to a and m equals to m under root a and 12 a n equal divide b n equals to a by b whole power n. 13 a m multiply a n equals to a m plus n. 14 a m divide a n equals to a m minus n. 15 a m whole power n equals to a m n. 16 a b n equals to d n bn. 17. 1 by an equals to a minus n. 18. 1 by a square equals to a minus 2. 19. A1 equals to a. 20. A by b whole power n equals to a n by bn equals to a n divide bn. 21. A0 equals to 1. Bracket a is not equals to 0, bracket close. 22. APQ equals to AP1Q. Trigonometric ratio table. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree. Sin theta. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 plus 1 by 2 under root 2. 1. Cos theta. 1. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, root 3 minus 1 by 2 under root 2, 0. Tan theta. 0. 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, 2 plus root 3, infinity. Cot theta. Infinity, root 3, 1 by root 3, 2 minus root 3, 0. Sec theta. 1. 2 by root 3, root 2, root 2 by root 3 minus 1. Infinity. Cosec theta. Infinity. 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 2 under root 2 by root 3 plus 1, 1. Land measurement. 1 chain 22 yards, 1 chain yard 100 length 66 feet. 1 length 7.92 inches. 1 acre 10 SQ chain 1 lakh SQ length 100 decimals. 1 decibels 1000 SQ length. 1 decimals 436 SQ chain. 1 decimal 40 SQ meter. 1 are 100 SQ meter. 1 acre 40.5 areas. 1 hectare 100 areas. 1 hectare 2.47 acres. 1 acre 40 SQ yards. 4,000 SQ meters. 1 hectare 10,000 SQ meter.
Mean. Mean is equals to sum of objects by number of objects. 1. The sum of first and natural number is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n is equals to n and multiply n plus 1 by 2. 2. The sum if first and even numbers is equals to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2n is equals to n plus n square. 3. The sum of first and odd numbers is equals to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2n minus 1 is equals to n square. 4. The sum of squares of first and natural numbers is equals to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square is equals to n multiplied by n plus 1 and 2 plus 1 by 6. 5. The sum of square cubes of first and natural numbers is equals to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus n cube is equals to curly bracket open and n plus 1 by 2 curly bracket close whole square. 6. The number of mean of first and even number is equals to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 and is equals to n plus 1. 7. The sum of mean of first and odd numbers is equals to 1 plus 3 plus 5, 2n minus 1 is equals to n. Decreasing percentage. 50%, 33.33%, 25%, 20%, 16.66%, 14.28%, 12.5%, 11.11%, 10%, 9.09%, 8.33%. Increasing percent. 100%, 50%, 33.33%, 25%, 20%, 16.66%, 14.28%, 12.5%, 11.11%, 10%, 9.09%. Decimal number and binary representation. Decimal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Binary numbers 1, 10, 11, 100, 101, 110, 111, 1000, 1001, 1010. Decimal numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Binary forms 1011, 11,100, 1101, 1110, 1111, 10,000, 10,001, 10,010, 10,011, 10,100. Decimal number 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Binary forms 10,111, 10,110, 10,111, 10,000, 10, 11,000, 11,001, 11,000, 10, 11,011, 11,100, 11,101, 11,110. Cube values 2 cube is equals to 8, 3 cube is equals to 27, 4 cube is equals to 64, 5 cube is equals to 125, 6 cube is equals to 216, 7 cube is equals to 743, 8 cube is equals to 512, 9 cube is equals to 729, 10 cube is equals to 1000, 11 cube is equals to 1331, 12 cube is equals to 1728, 13 cube is equals to 2127, 14 cube is equals to 2744, 15 cube is equals to 3375, 16 cube is equals to 4096, 17 cube is equals to 4913, 18 cube is equals to 5832, 19 cube is equals to 6859, 20 cube is equals to 8000. Question related to pipes and tanks. 1. If a pipe fills a tank in x hour, then the tank is filled by the pipe in 1 hour is equals to 1 by x. 2. If the withdrawal pipe empties a full tank in y hours, then this same pipe would empty this much of tank in an hour is equals to 1 by y. 3. If a pipe fills an empty tank in x hours and withdrawal pipe empties a full tank in y hours, then both the pipe fill the tank in 1 hour, 1 by x by 1 by minus 1 by y, where x is lesser than y. Both pipes empty the tank in 1 hour, 1 by y minus 1 by x, where x is greater than y.
Probability. One experiment, a repeatable procedure which can have a set of possible results. 2. Deterministic experiment. Any experiment where all possible outcomes can be predicted beforehand and when it is possible to predict with certainty. 3. Sample space. The set of all possible outcomes or results of a deterministic experiment is called a sample space. 4. The probability of an event E taking place equals to P bracket E bracket close equals to N bracket E bracket close by N bracket S by bracket close, where S is the sample space. Permutations and combinations. 1. Permutation. The arrangement of a given set of objects or all objects in a linear sequence is called permutation. Example 1. Permutations of letters A, B, C in sets of 2 are A, B, B, C, A, C, B, A, C, D, C, A. Example 2. Permutations of letters A, B, C using all the letters are A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, A, C, B, C, C, H, A, B, A, C. 2. Example 2. Permutations of all letters A, B, C using all the letters are A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, A, C, B, C, H, A, B, A, C. 2. N, P, R equals to N minus 1, N minus 2, bracket N minus R plus bracket, close, equals to N by N minus R. Example 7p 3 equals to 7 into 6 into 5 equals to 10. 3 npr equals to n minus 1 n minus 2 3.2.1 n 4 0 equals to 1 Example, 5p5 equals to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equals to 125. If m object in a set of n objects are similar, p objects are similar, r objects are similar, and the remaining objects are of different kinds, then the number obtained through their permutations would be equals to n by mpr. 6. Permutations of R taken out of n objects where either of the two can be taken any number of times equals to nr. 7. The formula to arrange n object in a circular form equals to n minus 1. 8. Total methods of making garlands of a flower equals to 1 by 2 n minus 1. Combinations. The groups made using some objects or all objects out of the given objects are called combinations. For example, A. The combinations of two sets taken from A, B, C would be A, B, B, C, C, A. Remember that A, B, B, C, B, A are two different types of permutations but the same type of combination. There would be only one combination made using all three ABC which will be ABC. 9. NCR equals to n by r into n minus r, n minus 1, n minus 2 r by r. 3. NCN equals to 1, NCO equals to 0 equals to 1. Example, 11C4 equals to 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 by 4 equals to 11 into 10 into 9 into 8, 4 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equals to 334. NCP equals to NCPP equals to P or P plus Q equals to N. The square of every even number is always an even number. The same goes with odd number. The unit place of any number square never ends with 2, 3, 7. To write any number, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands are used in right and left side respectively. Important units of length. 1 kilometer equals to 100 meters, 1 mile equals to 1.609 kilometer, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, 1 meter equals to 3.28 feet, 1 feet equals to 12 inches, 1 inch equals to 2.54 centimeter, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters, 1 yard equals to 3 feet, 1 mile equals to 760 yards, 1 furlong equals to 220 yards.
Rules of mathematical science. Addition. X plus x equals to plus equals to plus. Minus equals to plus minus. Minus minus equals to minus. Plus minus equals to plus minus. Subtraction. Plus equals to plus minus. Minus equals to plus. Plus minus equals to plus. Minus plus equals to minus. Multiplication. Plus equals to plus. Plus minus equals to minus. Minus equals to plus. Plus equals to minus. Division. Plus divide plus equals to plus. Minus divide minus equals to plus. Minus divide plus equals to minus. Plus divide minus equals to minus. Note, in case of addition or subtraction, we take sign of bigger integer. Profit and loss. 1. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. 2. Loss equals to cost price minus selling price. Both profit and loss are always calculated on the basis of cost price. If the cost price equals to X rupees and profit equals to 20% and selling price is equals to 120% of X rupees. 4. If the cost price equals to X rupees and loss equals to 20% and selling price equals to 80% of X rupees. 5. Profit percent equals to profit cost price multiply 100 and 6. And loss percent equals to loss cost price multiply 100. 6. If selling price equals to X rupees and profit equals to 20%, then cost price equals to 100 by 120 multiply X. 7. If selling price equals to X rupees and profit equals to 20%, then cost price equals to 100 by 80 multiply X. 8. Discount is always calculated on face value. 9. If shop sells its item at cost price but makes use of flawed division, then profit percent equals to flawed loss by right value minus error. 10. If an item is sold at B% profit instead of A% loss and additional multiply rupees are obtained, then cost price of item equals to 100 multiply X by B plus A. 11. The cost price of X item is equal to the selling price of Y item, then profit percent equals to X minus Y multiply 100. 12. Shopkeeper cheats by selling X% items and buying X% items through the means of a faulty weighing machine. Then his total profit equals to 200 minus X by 100 minus X. Logarithms. Log A plus log B equals to log AP. Log A minus log B equals to log AB. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Log AB equals to B log A Sx n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 D. Log AB equals to 1 log A. GP Tn equals to ARn minus 1. Log A x b equals to 1 by x log AB. Sn equals to A 1 minus Rn by 1 minus R. Log BA log CB log DA. Sy equals to A by 1 minus R. Sy equals to Sy when R is greater than 1. Simple interest equals to principal multiply rate multiply time by 100. Principal equals to simple interest multiply 100 by rate multiply time. Rate equals to simple interest multiply 100 by principal multiply time. Time equals to simple interest multiply 100 by principal multiply rate. The amount of money borrowed is called principal. The sum of principal and interest is called compound interest. Value of percentage. 1 by 2 equals to 50%, 1 by 3 equals to 33 by 1 by 2%, 1 by 4 equals to 25%, 1 by 5 equals to 20%, 1 by 6 equals to 16, 2 by 3%, 1 by 7 equals to 14 by 2 by 7%, 1 by 8 equals to 2, 1 by 2%, 1 by 9 equals to 11, 1 by 9%, 1 by 10 equals to 10%, 1 by 11 equals to 9, 1 by 11%, 7 by 8 equals to 87, 1 by 2%, 1 by 12 equals to 8, 1 by 3%, 1 by 16 equals to 6, 1 by 3%, 2 by 25 equals to 8%, 4 by 25 equals to 16%, 3 by 20 equals to 15%, 3 by 8 equals to 37, 1 by 2%, 3 by 5 equals to 60%, 2 by 3 equals to 66, 2 by 3% equals to 2 by 5 equals to 40%, 5 by 8 equals to 62, 1 by 2%. Important units of time. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds, 1 day equals to 86400 seconds, 1 day equals to 1440 minutes, 1 day equals to 24 hours, 1 leap year equals to 366 days, 1 century equals to 10 years. Units of temperature. 1 Fahrenheit degree equals to 9 degrees Celsius by 5 plus 32. 2 degree Celsius equals to 5 Fahrenheit degree minus 32 by 9. 3 0 degree Celsius equals to 32 Fahrenheit equals to 273 Kelvin. Roman numbers. 1 equals to I, 5V, 8VII, 9IX, 10X, 20XX, 30XXX, 40XL, 50L, 90XC, 100SE, 300CCC, 400CD, 500D, 700DCC, 900cm, 1000M, 1900 MCM, 1995 MCM, XCV, 2000 mm. Square values. 1 square equals to 1, 2 square equals to 4, 3 square equals to 9, 4 square equals to 16, 5 square equals to 25, 6 square equals to 36, 7 square equals to 49, 8 square equals to 64, 9 square equals to 81, 10 square equals to 100, 11 square equals to 121, 12 square equals to 144, 13 square equals to 169, 14 square equals to 196, 15 square equals to 225, 16 square equals to 256, 17 square equals to 289, 18 square equals to 324, 19 square equals to 361, 20 square equals to 400, 21 square equals to 441, 22 square equals to 484, 23 square equals to 529, 24 square equals to 576, 576, 25 square equals to 625, 26 square equals to 676, 27 square equals to 729, 28 square equals to 784, 29 square equals to 841, 30 square equals to 900, 31 square equals to 961.
Features of binary numbers. Addition formulas. 1. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 2. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. 3. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. 4. 1 plus 1 is equals to 10 equals to 0. Subtraction formula. 0 minus 0 0. 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3. 1 plus 1 1. 4. 0 minus 1 10. To get to the number next to 1, borrow from the left column and add it. Example, add 1 0 0 0 0 0 2 plus 1 1 1 1 1 2. Example, add 111 2 plus 11 0 11 2. 1111 borrow. Slow answer 11 111 111. फिर आंसर इज 10 111 111 0. Solve 0 2 2 2 2 2 1 0 0 0 0 0. Answer 1 1 1 1 1. 30 10 minus 30 10. Features of binary numbers. Payment through bill. Once a trader buys goods on credit from another trader, the payment is made through a bill. This bill is the kind of bill where the buyer makes a written promise to return the end value within a specified period of time. Along with his statement, the buyer signs the agreement and hands it over to the seller. The bill can be redeemed from the bank within 3 days of the return date. These 3 days are known as the grace period. If the seller of the goods needs the money before the end of the bill period, then he can sell this to the banker. The banker makes the payment after calculating interest on the remaining time on the due amount. Banker's discount. The simple interest on the face value or amount due for the remaining period. Banker's discount. Interest on due amount for remaining period. Banker's discount minus true discount is equals to banker's gain. Formulas. Banker's discount is equals to interest on amount due for the remaining period is equals to amount due into date into time by 100. 2. Banker's gain is equals to banker's discount minus true discount is equals to simple interest on true discount is equals to true discount square by present value. 3. Amount due. Banker's discount into true discount by banker's discount minus true discount. 4. True discount is equals to banker's discount into 100 by rate into time. 5. True discount is equals to root present value into banker's gain. Binary numbers. Division. Subtracted value method. Example, to find the value of binary 2310 base 22222 quotient 23115210 remainder dash 11101. Writing direction 10111 answer. Simplification through brackets. This is also represented as BODMAS. B bracket O of D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. Partnership. Partnership, when two or more than two businessmen invest together to form a business, then it is called partnership. And here each of the individual is referred to as a partner. Capital. The money raised by the partner is called capital. Distribution of profit amongst the partners. To distribute the profit earned or loss incurred at the end year or at the end of the pre-decided interval, capital of each partner into number of unit of time. It is divided among the partner in the ratio of. Example, if A invested a capital of rupees X for P months and B invested rupees Y for Q months, the profit will be divided as follows: A ratio B is equals to X, P ratio YQ. Birth that statistics. 1. Crude birth rate. Number of children born in an year by population during the year into 1000. 2. Crude death rate. Number of death in year by population during that year into 1000. 3. Specific death rate minus specific category in an year. Number of death in a specific category by number of specific categories in a given number into 1000. 4. Infant death rate below the age of 1 in the given year. Number of children below the age of 1 by no kids living in that year into 1000. 5. Standardized mortality rate Sx dx is equals to sigma Sx dx by sigma x Sx. Sx standardized proportion of standardized population of category X dx specific death rate of category X. Time is time to remember things to remember while looking at the clock. 1. 360 degree is used for a full round. 2. 180 degree is used for half round. 3. To find the value of mirror reflection 11 14 59 minus time of actual clock. 4. 6 degree is equals to 1 minute. 5. 12 hours is equals to 5 minutes 5 degree. 6. The difference between both the hands at the interval of a minute 5 by 1 by 2 degree. 7. In 12 hours both the hand create 22 right angles.
Quadratic equations by factoring. 1. A plus b into by whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square and a minus b square plus 4ab. 2. A minus b square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square and a plus b whole square minus 4ab. 3. A square plus b square equals to a plus b square minus 2ab. 4. A square plus b square equals to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. 5. A square minus b square equals to a plus b a minus b. 6. AB equals to bracket a plus b by 2 bracket square minus a minus b by 2 into by whole square. 7. A plus b whole square whole cube equals to a3 plus 3a plus 3a square plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. 8. A minus b cube equals to a3 minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b3 b cube equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. 9. A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b cube plus 3ab a minus b. 10. A plus b square minus a minus b square equals to 4ab. 11.
a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b cube minus 3ab. 12a plus b square plus a minus b square equals to 2a square plus b square. Important units of weight. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. 1 quintal equals to 100 kilograms. 1 ton equals to 10 quintal. 1 ton equals to 1000 gram. 1 pound equals to 455 grams. 1 kilogram equals to 2.2 pounds. 1 liter equals to 1000 millimeters. 1 gallon equals to 4.5 liters. 1 barrel equals to 159 liters. 1 tola equals to 12 grams. 1 chetang equals to 54 grams. To discount. If a loan has to return an amount after a specified period of time but wants to return it now, the question arises that how much money will he have to pay in order to return the money. It's clear that the decided rate of interest on the present value and the amount due, the loan will be paid off. The amount given during this time is called present value, and the difference between amount due and present value is called the true discount. 1 true discount equals to amount due minus present value. 2 true discount equals to interest on present value. Formulas. 1 true discount equals to present value into rate into time by 100 equals to amount due into rate into time by 100 plus rate into time. To present value. 2 present value equals to 100 into 2 discount by rate into time equals to 100 into amount due, 100 in plus rate into time. 3 amount due equals to simple interest by simple interest into minus 2 discount, 2 discount. 5 compound interest equals to 1 plus rate by 100 into time. 4 simple interest minus 2 discount equals to simple interest on 2 discount. Highest common factor and least common multiple. 1. Least common multiple. The smallest number that is multiple in given set of 2 numbers or more is called least common multiple. For example, the least common multiple of 3, 5, 6 is 30, which means that all the 3 numbers can completely divide 30. 2 multiple. The multiple of 2 or more given numbers is the number which can be completely divided by that. For example, the multiples of 3, 5, 6 are 30, 60, 90, etc. 3. Highest common factor. The greatest common divisor or 2 or more numbers which are not all 0 is the largest positive integer that divides each integer and is called the HCF of those integer numbers. For example, the HCF of 824 is 6. 4. Factor. A number which can completely divide 2 or more given numbers is called factor of those numbers. For example, the factors of 10, 20, 30 are 2, 5, 10, and the factors of 9, 8, 21 and 33 is 3. 5 multiples and factors. If a number A completely crosses off number B, then A is the multiple of B and B is the factor of A. 6. Highest common factor. The greatest common divisor of 2 or more numbers which are not all 0 is the largest positive integer that divides each integer and is called the HCF of those integer numbers. For example, the HCF of 1824 is 6. 4. Factor. A number which can completely divide 2 or more given number is called factor of those numbers. For example, the factors of 10, 20, 30 are 2, 5, 10 and the factors of 9, 8, 21 and 33 is 3. 5 multiples and factors. If a number A completely crosses off number B, then A is the multiple of B and B is the factor of A. 6. HCF of fractions. HCF of numerators by LCF of denominators. 7. LCF of fractions, LCF of numerators, HCF of denominators. 8. Product of two numbers equals to HCF of numbers into LCM of numbers. Important units of numbers. 1 dozen equals to 12 units. 1 dista equals to 24 sheets. 1 small ream equals to 480 sheets. 1 big ream equals to 500 sheets. 1 gross equals to 12 dozen or 144 sheets. Solid mensuration. Image, volume, area, additional information. Cube. A cube total surface area equals to 6a square. A diagonal equals to 3 root 3 multiply side. B total size equals to 12 cuboid. L multiply B multiply H. To 1 total area equals to 2 1 LB plus BH plus LH. 2 curved surface area equals to 2L plus B multiply H. Diagonal equals to root 1 square plus B square plus H square. Formula 2L plus B. Cylinder pi r square h. Curved surface area equals to 2 pi r square. Total surface area equals to 2 pi r plus h. Circumference equals to 2 pi r h. R equals to radius, h equals to height. Cone 1 by 3 pi r 2 pi r square h. 1 total surface area equals to pi r plus l equals to root r square plus h square. 2 area of the circular surface equals to pi r l. 3 base area equals to pi r square. H equals to height, r equals to radius, l equals to slant height. A sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Total surface area equals to 4 pi r square. Hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. 1 total surface area equals to 3 pi r square. 2 circumference equals to 2 pi r square. Mensuration image perimeter area. Additional information rectangle 2 L plus B, L multiply B, H equals to P plus B square, L equals to length, B equals to breadth, H equals to height. A square 4 multiply side, A square diagonal equals to root 2 sides. Triangle 2s equals to a plus b plus c. S equals to a plus b plus c by 2 equals to 1 by 2 multiply base multiply height. Height equals to root 3 by 2 multiply side. Side equals to 2 multiply h by root 3. Isosceles trapezoid. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Distance between distance between the isosceles edges 1 by 2 multiply sum of the edges. H equals to 2 multiply A by A plus B. Trapezoid. 2a plus b, base multiply height, area equals to base multiply height. Quadrilateral 4 multiply side, 1 by 2 multiply 1 diagonal multiply second diagonal. Diagonal equals to 2 multiply area by second diagonal. Kite AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. 1 by 2 multiply diagonal plus sum of heights of diagonals. Circle 2 pi r or pi d pi r square x pi equals to 22 by 7 or 3.142 approximate. Diameter of a circle equals to c by pi. Radius equals to c by 2 pi. Radius of a circle theta by 360 degree 2 pi r plus 2 r theta 3 by 360 degree multiply pi r square. Length of r equals to theta by 180 degree multiply pi r. Segment of a circle 0 by 360 degree multiply 2 pi r multiply 2 r sin theta by 2 0 by 360 degree multiply pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta. Ring shadow r square minus r square. R equals to outer radius, r equals to inner radius. Hexagon 6 multiply sides 3 and root 3 by 2 multiply sides square. Each side angle equals to 2n minus 4 by n multiply 90 degree equals to 726 equals to 120 degree. Sum of internal angles equals to 2n minus 4 multiply 90 degree equals to 720 degree.
Compound interest. Principal P rupees, rate R percentage yearly and time and year. 1. If interest is compounded annually, then amount is equals to P L plus R by 100 power n. 2. If interest is compound half yearly, rate is equals to R by 2%, average 6 months and time is equals to 2n half yearly, then compound amount is equals to P 1 plus R by 2 into 100 की power 2n. 3. If interest is compounded quarterly, rate is equals to R by 4% per quarter and time is equals to 4n per quarter, then P is equal P plus P1 plus R by 4 into 100 की power 4 by 4n. 4. If interest is calculated annually, then the rate of interest for the first year will be rupees 1%, will be R 1%, second year R 2% and R 3% for the third year. Then after 3 years, compound amount is equals to P 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. 5. If time is 2, 3 by 5, then after 2, 3 by 5 years. Compound amount P 1 plus R by 100 square into 1 plus 3 by 5 into R by 100. 6. Present value of interest compounded on an amount into after n years. X by 1 plus R by 100 n. 7. If the difference between compound interest and simple interest is rupees R x for capital P at the interest of R% for T years, then 1. If T is equals to 2 years, then X is equals to P R by 100 square. 2. If T is equals to 3 years, then X is equals to P R by 100 square 3 plus R by 100. 8. If compound interest on a given amount A becomes B in an years, then rate percent is equals to B by A 1 power 1 by n minus 1 into 100. 9. If amount is P is loaned at an interest rate of R% per year, if that amount is to be paid back in equal installments in an years including the interest, then how much will each installment equal to? 1. If n is equals to 2 years, then each yearly installment is equals to P by 100 by 100 plus R plus 100 by 100 plus R square. 2. If n is equals to 3 years, then each yearly installment is equals to P by 100 by R 100 plus R plus 100 by 100 plus R whole square plus 100 by 100 plus R का whole cube. Cartesian coordinate system and centroid of a triangle. A Cartesian plane. That plane where the x-axis and the y-axis are located is called Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane is called the xy plane. The origin of indicated by 0, 0. 2. If Cartesian plane is divided into 4 parts through the axis, which each of these are called quadrant. 3. Signs of quadrant of a point. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Point in quadrant XY, abscissa, signs of the coordinate X, coordinates X of coordinate Y, signs of coordinates X of signs of coordinate of a point. In first quadrant, X O Y plus 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 plus. In second quadrant, Y O X is minus plus minus plus. In first quadrant, X O U minus 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 minus. In fourth quadrant, X O Y plus 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 minus. 4. Distance between 2 points is equals to coordinates of 2 points A, B respectively, x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then the distance between them AB is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 y1 whole square. AB is equals to whole root bracket open x1 minus x2 whole square plus bracket open y1 minus y2 bracket close whole square. 5. Centroid of a triangle and center of gravity indicated in the diagram. coordinates of GR minus X is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y is equals to x1 plus y2 x2 plus x3 by 3, that is xy is equals to sum of the top x coordinates by 3, sum of the top x coordinates by 3. Area of a given triangle ABC 1 by 2 x1 y1 minus y2 plus x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2. Thank you.